Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your ATM card for shopping. First, understand that your ATM card, often called a debit card, allows you to make purchases directly from your bank account. Look for the Visa or MasterCard logo on your card. This indicates it's widely accepted at millions of stores and online retailers. It's a convenient way to pay without carrying cash, offering a secure and traceable transaction method for your everyday needs. When shopping in a physical store, simply hand your ATM card to the cashier or follow the prompts on the payment terminal. You'll either insert your card into the chip reader, swipe it, or tap it if it has contactless payment capabilities. Next, you will be asked to enter your 4-digit PIN. This PIN verifies your identity and authorizes the payment, ensuring your account remains secure. Always double-check the total amount before confirming. For online shopping, your ATM card works similarly to a credit card. On the payment page, choose debit card or credit card as your payment option. You will then need to input the 16-digit card number from the front, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV code from the back. Be sure to enter your billing address precisely as it is registered with your bank. Some banks may also send a one-time password to your phone for extra security. To ensure safe shopping, always protect your PIN. Never share it with anyone. It's also wise to review your bank statements frequently to spot any suspicious activity. If your card is ever lost or stolen, contact your bank immediately to have it deactivated and prevent unauthorized use. Remember, most banks have daily spending limits for debit card purchases, typically ranging from $1,000 to $5,000, so be mindful of these restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.